these trains and stuff. I don't want to get captured, man. No. I'm gonna get captured. Yeah. Is it gone? Okay, comment down below if you find them. Because, yeah, comment down below. Smash the like button if you like this video. Let's get it. Yo, what's up, everyone? NSPG here. And so if you guys like this video, subscribe, comment down below, smash that like button. And before we get to the game, I'm just going to go to the game now. Before we get to playing, if you guys like that skit, that stupid little skit I just made, I just feel like doing it. But, yeah. Welcome to Paris. Okay, hi. Welcome. Okay, we're, oh, free stuff. I love free stuff. Never mind, I don't. Okay, let's play. And slide. Oh, slide that way, yes. This game is a history of games. Well, I used to play this on my on this channel like a long time ago. Like a really long time ago. It's like one of my first videos. But yeah, I'm just gonna rename this part 1 because I don't know what part this is. Actually, no. I guess I could just go check what part it is. So we're gonna jump. Guys, I really want to be a famous YouTuber. Like, that's my dream. I want it to come true. Yeah. But I lost a subscriber, frick. Jump. And jump. Jump. Almost died. So, under there. Under there. Jumping it up, up, up. Ba-ba-da-da-da-da-da. Ba-ba-da. Ba-ba-da. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Oh, guys, search up on TikTok, NSPG, NSPG, so NSPG, everything capitalized, on TikTok, and go follow me. That's my TikTok account. I have 1,089 followers on there, and I just started my account, so doing good. Oh, gee, I like G's. They stand for grapes, and I like grapes. So, yeah, that was just random. Poop. Okay, guys, okay, YouTube. Okay, right now I'm talking to YouTube. I really want to put thumbnails for my videos. So, if YouTube, can you please let me make thumbnails for my videos by, like, after this video? No. After I actually get, like, tomorrow or next, okay, on Saturday, I want to have thumbnails for my videos. Okay, YouTube? Okay, and that means you guys that's watching has to like, subscribe, and give me all the support that you can. I love you guys. Come on. Shout out to Jacksepticeye. My name's Jacksepticeye. Oh, my name is Jacksepticeye. Oh. How long can I keep that going for? I don't really trust the boots. YouTube, I really want to make longer videos. So if you guys can help me, YouTube, I really want to make longer videos. So please, YouTube. Jump-a-doop. Jump-a-doop. I at least want to make like 34-minute videos, YouTube. Yeah. Because YouTube, please help me. I just want thumbnail, make my own custom thumbnail. And YouTube, I want to make, what's it called? Oh, 34-minute videos. Or 35, whatever. So please, YouTube, help. Oh, frick. It died. Da 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 da. Okay, what's my character? This dinosaur. Don't care. Dinosaur. No, why didn't I get that? So slow. Hi, I made the cop head. Guys, if you guys like that video, subscribe, comment down below, smash that like button, and